Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today's recipe is milk and coconut ladoo. It's one of the very easy and instant recipes. You can make it within 15 minutes and it tastes so delicious. For any big occasion or small parties, this dessert fits perfectly well. Not just elders but kids also love it. So let's get started with today's recipe of milk and coconut ladoos. To make milk and coconut ladoos, first of all in a pan take 4 tablespoons of ghee. Keep the heat on low to medium flame. Once ghee is warmed up, then add half a cup of milk. I'm using full fat milk here. You can use milk of your preference. You can either use full fat or low fat. Mix it well, and once milk starts boiling, turn the heat to low flame and add 1¼ cup of milk powder. Add milk powder in batches to avoid any lumps. Add milk in 3 to 4 batches and keep mixing it to get smooth texture with no lumps in it. I have added 1¼ cup of milk powder in batches, and now my mixture is ready for coconut. Once milk powder is mixed well, then add half a cup of desiccated coconut. Mix well and cook on low to medium heat. We need to cook coconut in milk powder to soften it, so cook it for further 2 to 3 minutes. Now we need to add sugar, so I'm going to add 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of crushed cardamom to give it very nice aroma and flavor. At this point, if you want, then you can add chopped nuts of your preference as well. Keep mixing it and cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes or until your mixture will get thickened to come together to make a nice soft dough-like texture. After about 5 minutes, my mixture is coming together in a form of a soft dough. So now I'm going to turn the heat off. Now transfer the mixture into a bowl and let it cool down for a bit. While it's still warm but good enough temperature to touch it, take a small portion of the mixture and roll it to make a bowl or a ladoo. Make sure that mixture is still warm to hold the shape of it. So I've got one bowl ready. As you can see that it's really smooth and have got no cracks on it. To make it look more tempting, I've got some desiccated coconut in a bowl. Roll the bowl in coconut and press it gently. You can cover it with more or less coconut. I prefer only a little bit just for the crunch. Prepare all the ladoos and then enjoy it with your friends and family. The richness of milk powder and softness of coconut give it really amazing taste and texture. So must try this recipe and let me know if you have tried the recipe, and if you have enjoyed the video then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel by clicking on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist of desserts, and you can subscribe our channel using the icon on the screen or using the link in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe.